Oh my god. I'm just gonna try some steak like this. Look, this restaurant is so busy. Oh my god, let me show you around. A lot of ingredients. With rice. Mm. Some of these bean, rice, some of these steak. Rice, steak. I forgot to put veggie and I forgot to add some of these for you. This is avocado. Is it good? Mm. Some of these veggies. Mm. What is that?
Oh, that's pepper.
Jalapeno.
Yeah,
I think this is spicy.
you try it first. Oh no, my mom cooks that. Try it. Spicy?
Extremely spicy. Do not eat this. No.
No. My mom makes the non-spicy one.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna put some fry, some steak, some of these bean, and some of these.
You took my flies.
See, how is the taste?
The other one was very good.
Some of these bean, rice. I'm gonna add jalapeno because I'm gonna eat it, not you. Jalapeno. Some of these steak. Oh. Some salad. Some fry. Oh my god, what is that? That is bomb.
Big one.
Mmm. 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 Mmm, that's good. Let's make another one. Put some rice. Some rice. Some rice.
Huh?
You don't want to do it? One more. Some some steak, some this, fry, and enjoy Liana, huh? That's really good. Steak, rice. Oh my God, this.
Oh, my drink.
Mhm.
Let me go get my drink.
Mm.
Oh my God, I remember these drinks. Everybody, I have not been here for a very long time, but I still remember my favorite drink.
Let me see. Can I please try it? Can I?
Swallow your food.
Okay, now.
That-
Too sweet. It looks like a milkshake.
No, it
Is it coconut? It's so good, but it's too sweet for me. I don't eat sweet with food. Can I have one quesadilla? You
Not bad.
know? Okay.
I'm giving my dad a little bit of my quesadilla.
Thank you. Mm. Mm. That was good. Oh my God. Liana, you did not eat your food. She liked my food. Steak. Mm.
I have steak too.
Mm. So good. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.